course, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, viongozi wote wa Kisii, Nyamira na wananchi wote walio hapa, watu wa Kisii wa Kiroya, Mlembe. Sisi tuna furaha sana kuwa hapa siku ya leo na haswa makaribisho ya jana. Tumeingia Kisii, tumeingia Nyamira na timu yetu ya United Alternative Government, na mapokezi yamekuwa mazuri sana tangu jana asubuhi. Kule Narok Town tulikaribishwa, tukaambia ndugu zetu tunakuja Kisii. Ingia kule Mulot, Bomet, Longisa, Chepilat. Imekuwa ni furaha kubwa kwa Wakenya wote kuona the incoming government, the alternative government, tukitembea pamoja, tukisimama pamoja. Lakini shukrani yetu kubwa ni kwa watu wa hapa Kisii, hapa Nyamira. Mimi nimekuwa hapa mara nyingi nikiwa na marehemu ndugu yangu Wamalwa kijana Wocha, na tumekuwa hapa mzee Raila, tumerudi hapa na Uhuru. Hatujawahi ona makaribisho kama yale tumepewa wakati. So yetu ni kusema asante. Lakini vile vile we must equally condemn the attempted disruption of our meetings yesterday in Gusila. Bwana William Ruto, all the way from Narok to Bomet to Longisa to Chepelat to Kisii. One message is clear: Kenyans have decided you are a one-term president. The desperation we are seeing, wewe kujaribu kutumia polisi, kutumia wahuni, no amount of tear gas or bullets or rogue police officers or goons that you are hiring will save you from the verdict of the Kenyan people. And we want to say this, that our right to move to any part of this country, our right to assemble and to associate with any people of the Republic of Kenya anywhere, anytime we want, does not depend on your generosity. It is a constitutionally guaranteed right. And that is one thing we want to say as we leave Kisii tomorrow. We will go to Nakuru, we will go to Nyandarua, we will go to Nyeri and all parts of the country. Sasa, this attempt ya kusimamisha and to disrupt opposition rallies will not stop this train. So that is the one message we want to give, and also ask our young people, sababu wao ndio wanapewa pesa. The goons that were used yesterday, some of them, and it's very regrettable that there was loss of life here in Kisii yesterday because of the goons who tried to stop a rally that was unstoppable. There was loss of life in Western when we had the Linda Wananchi rally. There was loss of life in Kitengela and other parts where we've gone for meetings. Let's ask the youth of Kenya to be part of this change. Why is it that the people of Kisii are saying one term? All the promises William Ruto made here, right from the dams. I was Minister for Water. Munya Dam, Wamalwa Dam, nothing has been done to complete these dams that will transform this region and ensure that the water issues, food production issues, food security issues are sorted out, have not been done. I was here with Dr. Fred Matiang'i, with the fourth President Uhuru Kenyatta. We came to lay the foundation stone for the cancer center. Since Uhuru left, we passed by, we saw a shell of a building. Nothing has been done by William Ruto and his government to complete the cancer center 4 years down the line. With the remaining few months, will William Ruto complete the cancer center? The people of Kisii know that you are not going to do it. So wanasema maliza ufanye nini? All that you promised. We were yesterday in Keroka. You promised you are going to do all this road from Kisii town, which is very congested, into Keroka. Has it been done? No. Will it be done in the next few months? No. So this is why they were saying, maliza ufanye nini? So we want to say today that we will go to Nyamira and other parts to speak to the people of Kisii, and we're asking you, ndugu zetu, tuungane, tutembee pamoja. Jana umetupa kiongozi shupavu Dr. Fred Matiang'i, tunaomba nyote msimame nyuma yake, tushikane pamoja, bega kwa bega, tutembee pamoja, tutoe huyu bwana Kisii kidogo abana banyasai. Asanteni kutupa umugambo Munya. Dr. Fred Okezo Matiang'i. Umugambo Munya kureta ebikuri, kureta esibitari, kureta maendeleo. Umugambo Munya muno kureta umurembe. Na sisi tunataka tufanye siasa ya amani. Hata Bwana Zakayo akijaribu kuleta vurugu, kumwaga damu ya jenzi vijana wetu na kufanya yale maovu anayofanya, sisi tushikane bega kwa bega tumtoe. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.
The Honorable Second Deputy President of the Republic, the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua.
Thank you. I didn't know I'll speak here. I'm a bit shy with the cameras. We are indeed very happy for the very warm welcome.
That's not a favor, it's our constitution that guarantees that every citizen is protected under the law. We don't have any two sets of laws, one for the opposition and the other one for the government, so that every rally that opposition does, goons must be sent there, protected by the police to cause mayhem. That's all we are asking. Otherwise, it's our right to be in the opposition. It is their right to be in government. They were given the government. The citizens seem to be ready now to take back their right, their government, because it is theirs. That does not invite violence on us. So we are not asking any favor. You know, it's not like we are asking the minister or whoever do us a favor. No. And we are saying, if the government is not ready to provide the security that is required in our meetings, we must also organize ourselves to be able to secure our meetings, isn't it? And ask the citizens to take that responsibility of making sure our meetings are safe, and anybody who is coming there to cause mayhem anapata cha mtema kuni, kwa sababu hatuwezi endelea namna hii. Kama wananchi wamekataa serikali, wameikataa, na wameikataa kwa sababu imeshindwa na kazi. Waliingia kwa serikali with the understanding that they are going to make Kenya better. But over the years, the years they have been there, it is total destruction. Everything that was working has been completely destroyed. And Kenyans cannot take this anymore. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema tuheshimiane. Wale wamepewa majukumu ya kulinda sheria na haki, walinde. Na sisi tukubaliwe kufanya kazi zetu za upinzani, tukijipanga kuchukua serikali. Asanteni sana.
The Hon.Eugene Wamalwa.